So in this video, we're going to learn about ProTabs Unity asset. So we're going to open our Unity and we're just going to simply drag and drop the ProTabs Unity asset. And we have to click on import. And you can see the import process get has been started. And it's done. Like you can see we get a folder name ProTabs. If we got this, it means it's working. So we have to click on it and we will get a readme file. If you want to get a document where you can read all this stuff instead of video or anything, you can pursue for this. This is a good option. Let me show you by opening it. It's a so good user friendly online documentation. We have to click on this. See, it's a detailed documentation on the tool. So you can also see it if you wanna give it a try. Else I'm gonna teach you about it. So in the top navigation, we will see option called tools here. And then we have to click on ProTabs and then we have to click on open settings window. This is the important window that we need. So here's visual styles, background styles, it's kind of theme. Show dividers, hide log windows. So basically, hide log windows is like you can see there is a lock, here is also a lock, here also a lock. And there are some locks. So if we click on it, you can see all are disappear. If we uncheck it, if we uncheck it, you can see they will came again. And this is drag and drop, show add tabs and show close buttons. Let me explain you all of them in one. So the drag and drop is so easy. Like you can drag and drop your any game component. It's not matter it's game component, script, material, texture, or even your script. We can drag and drop anything and convert it into a window or individual window. Let me show you. See, it's a directional light. I just drag it and put over. See, it became a individual window. Same for audio source, the cube, the main camera. See, all became a individual window. And the rest of things is show add tabs button. So here you can see there is a add tab button. When we click on it, you can start your favorite project. Like you can start your favorite window. Like I click on it, and it will all will came in the starting. So I can just click over there and open that window. And there you can see your tons of windows that you can start and make and add them in your favorite list. Also, the next is close button. Like when you enable it, you will get a close button over here. Like you can close all the tabs by just clicking one on it. So see how convenient it is. You don't have to do like this and then close tabs. Just directly click on it and it will be directly close it. Also, you can use shortcuts to control this all. As it's mentioned here, you can also even close the shortcuts that you may feel irritating or annoying, but they are so useful. Like one of them is shift and scroll wheel to switch between tabs. It's really good. And one is control plus W. It's to close the tabs without even clicking on them. So it's really convenient asset. If you really like it, asset link is inside my description. If you really like it, the asset link is inside my description. Please give it a try. And thank you. See you later.